Okay, guys. So if you can't tell, I lost my voice because my allergies are really bad, sort of. So anyway, yeah. But recently, one of my controllers I use from Xbox had some issues. Right up here, you can kind of see had a crack going on, so I kind of put some glue on it. That went pretty well. Yeah, you can kind of see how it fixed it pretty good, but it's not perfect. Anyway, the main problem though was one had a little bit of stick drift with this right here. So if you walk, especially in any games where it was like 3D, like or even in a 3D world, you would randomly just look up at the sky. And it wasn't constant, but it was pretty annoying. And then I was yard sailing on a couple days ago, and I found this really cool headset that I got for my brother to use, and I really liked it. It has some RGBs. There you can kind of see those. They're not bad. Had some lights all over. Anyway, he would always use this controller. So he would plug his headset in, and then he used it for about a day, and the headset quit. I'm like, that's kind of dumb. Okay, whatever. So I just let him use my other controller. I have another controller that came with my Xbox, so it was a lot newer. This was a used controller. Can't tell by the thumbsticks; they're pretty worn down. Anyway, but yeah, so he was using that controller, and it was fine. He used it for a day, and then the next morning I was on the bus, and my mom texted me. She said, "Hey, you can't get the headphones to work." I'm like, "Did you turn the volume up?" She's like, "Yeah." And all that stuff. So I'm like, "I'll look out when I get home." I looked at it. Nothing. The controller was dead. The aux port was fried. The controller still worked. Same with this one. They both still work, but the aux port is dead. So that's kind of important, especially if we do any calls. And I like those headphones, but they don't work anymore. So we got some new ones that he can use. But anyway, so we ordered some new controllers. I'm gonna do another unboxing of another one. Also, isn't that cool? It's just a normal controller, and ironically, is the exact same one. But hey, I like this controller when I got it, but it has some problems. So I really think I'm gonna like this controller. So, or at least I don't know if I'll use it that much. But anyway, let's get right to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the Electric Volt Color Xbox Series controller, and I like this is cool. I like that color. I really like this color actually. I kind of wish it went all the way around, but anyway, yeah. It includes some batteries actually, which is kind of nice because actually it's not. It's just unbranded Duracell batteries. So we're gonna open this thing up, and if you like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll make another one when I get another controller, and I'll show you that close down. But that's what I'm really excited for. Also not a special edition, but still really cool. So let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Okay, so looks like we have some tape to take out. Flip it over, and get it cut. Don't I'm being very careful. I wouldn't want to hurt the Xbox controller. Okay. I think that's it. Let's flip it over. And that actually looks really nice. Put that back. No, it doesn't look good. Well, we're just going to do it like this. Okay. So there's nothing. Let's see. There's anything in top here. No, I guess the batteries are down there. Oh, actually? Huh? No, there's not. Okay. They make this really goofy looking like little pull tab here. Looks like it does something. It doesn't. It's just there for their purposes. Anyway, so it looks very similar to this one, minus any stains. And oh my goodness, those thumb grips are shiny. Okay, let me. I need to show you this. Okay, look at these thumbsticks. They've been used, all right. And let me get another controller. I want to see if these are actually more shiny than that. All right, so this is a controller I also got new. This is black thumbsticks. This came with the Xbox. Also the right headphone jack, which is also not good because I really like this controller. I used it all the time. I still use it, but these thumbsticks, they're kind of matte. They're still, I guess they're kind of shiny. And then there is this. My word, those are shiny thumbsticks. Like my light is like bouncing off of them like crazy. Anyway, let's take this thing out of the box. And oh, these are branded Duracell batteries. Bad. Duracell's like, I don't know. It's just Duracell. I like Duracell though. It is pretty good. So Pretty nice sound. That was one of the things I really didn't like about this controller. These buttons were... I forgot which one it was. I think it was this one. I think it kind of fixed itself, but it did like not press all the way. It was kind of weird. Yeah. This one also sounds pretty good because that one's new. This one I think sounds the best though. Got the nice thumbsticks. Does not come with batteries in it. Also, you gotta love that there's no grit or grime in the thingies when you get a new controller. Like, that is clean. That is pristine. I don't have an accent. I just said it weird. But that is no dirt. You can barely even see. The only reason you can even see that is just because of the light. Like, look, it bounces off my fingernail. Like, on this controller, you can very much tell it's there. It's got some dirt. This one was used already. Even this one I got new. It's still pretty good, but you can tell there's some dirt in the cracks and on here. I love the sound of Xbox triggers though. Like is that not the nicest sound ever? Anyway, so let's get further into this unboxing. So like I said, got the Duracell batteries. Probably use these because Duracell, they got that good battery life. I mean, I hope they're batteries. But this is actually, I thought this would be like plastic. This is actually like paper. It always looks like plastic because it has like that kind of shine, but it's actually more of a matte. You can tell from the back a lot. It's really paper. That's really interesting. You got manuals. That is... No way! That's how you turn on the Xbox? I never have thought. Okay, anyway, yeah, it's kind of just painfully obvious telling you what you need to do. Microsoft. Bro, who actually uses this? If anybody's actually read this, I was gonna say hats off to you, but like, that's more of a, what on earth are you doing? Like, that's kind of a waste of time. But I'd say let's get a shipping label and send this one back. I don't want it anymore. I'm kidding. You can't do that. Don't do that. That's not good. But went from this broken headphone jack, big crack covered by super glue. Actually, kind of proud of that fix, but yeah. To this very nice controller. I already got fingerprints on there. But yeah, if you want to see the unboxing of the next controller, which I will not tell you what color it is. I like that color a lot better, though. Like and subscribe, and we will do that one. I'm going to do it anyway. It actually doesn't matter, but I would really appreciate it if you did that. So I will see you next time. It's just, you got to get that thumbnail clip. And the Duracell. I'm kidding. No, Duracell. No, nobody cares about Duracell. Goodbye.